All right, let's learn a bit more about ChatGPT and learning, for instance, biomechanics or neuromechanics. So I quickly come up with kind of a chart. Imagine you want to learn some concepts. Let's say you have a book or you have a paper. So let's just pick it up, and then ask ChatGPT for a summary. If that's okay, then if not, you can pick another one. It's not necessarily needed here, but if yes, so just choose a topic, the content, for instance, and ask relevant questions, and then go ahead. If it needs a computational work, use, for instance, Colab or Python to do it. I'll show you how I did. It took me quite a while, but finally, I just put them all together for your information to explore on your own. So what I started is you'll have access to all these things in this format in this Python or IPython notebook. So it says, okay, let's learn some biomechanics. This is in ChatGPT. And then it tells me what it is. So, oh, can you list a few books and just give me some books and say, oh, I've seen this book, Um, so can you tell me more about this book? And here is the book, right? I can basically bring it from Google and then have a look at the content here. And then I keep going. He's just going to tell me what it is. It's going to tell me, and it's okay, I've seen EMG, what it is. And it's talking about EMG. And then it's okay, there are mathematical methods to filter, for instance, EMG, what it is, and even try to teach me as if I'm 5 year old. And then go through that, some equations. Just read through that. It's quite interesting. Read here. And then I said, oh, I don't get it. Can you give me more examples? And even like in Python to create that, and then actually gives me that the whole Python code. So to recreate that and actually create it here, you can see here here it's generated the EMG with the noise. So this is the noise part, and then keeps going. Have a look, and some errors I got, and then I bring it back and checked it on why this error is, and then it actually goes on and on with back and forth debugging. You can see all my thought process here. As you can see all the way, you can actually go through each part of it and see how I did it and why things happened and changed, and to learn more and more. But the cool thing is you can actually go through, say, here, each topic, and then ask questions. Say, if you want to know about kinematic, kinetic, thermometry, and so on. And then at the end, I try to actually recreate muscle force. If you know biomechanics, you know that muscle force is a function of length, etc., right? So it looks like this in different activations. You can have similar pattern. I wanted to recreate it. It didn't work. To some extent, it worked, and even I brought quite an equations here. The equations that replicating that muscle force generation. And it's a good read. Go ahead. I don't want to go through that because all the information here. You can actually redo it. You can see here how he actually does it for me in the wallet. All the information here, you can find them even on my GitHub. I just put it here and see. Just go ahead step by step. And if you want to figure out how I did it, just here is you can find all the prompts down here. All right. Let me know what you think. I'm quite excited, and let me know what you would like to see, or if you have done something cool, um, please share it. I'm happy to share it with others. Thank you.